Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a table in HTML. So we use 4 tags to create a table in HTML. So our first tag is table tag. So what is the table tag? The table tag define the browser that we are going to make our table. Okay. So first अगर हम लोग जब ब्राउजर पे हम लोग टेबल बना रहे हैं अपने लिए, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले टेबल टैग से उसको डिफाइन करेंगे. तो उससे होगा क्या कि डिफाइन हो जाएगा कि हम लोग टेबल बनाने जा रहे हैं, और फिर हम लोग अपना टेबल टैग देने के बाद हम लोग टेबल बनाना स्टार्ट करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ सेकंड टैग विच इज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट अ टेबल, दैट इज अ टीआर टैग. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अ टीआर टैग? टीआर टैग is a table row tag. You all know that the table is created by the combination of row and column. So what the tr tag define? Tr tag define the row of the table. Okay, so we have to when we have to create the row in HTML, the table row, so we will define the tr tag to create a table row. Okay, after that we have the td tag, that is called the table data tag. So basically what is a table data? So we know that when we create a table, in that table we have the cells. So if we have to add the data in that cell, we use the td tag to enter the data in a table cells. Okay, after that there is a th tag. This is called table head tag. Okay, table head tag. So what the table head tag define? Table head tag define that is table head. So whatever thing we are write upside of the table, that is a table head. So when we have to write the table head, so we will use the th tag to add the data in a table head. Okay, so this all are about the table, how to create a table and what are the tags used in a table. After that we will do the practical also to understand better. Okay, now we will see how to create a table. We will do one example, and we will construct one table using HTML, and whatever tag we have teach you, we will use that tag to make the table in HTML. Okay, so inside the body, first we will give the tag table tag. First we will create our first row, then we will give the tr tag to create a table row, and after that our first row is heading, so we will give th tag. So in the th tag we will write the name. We have to close the th tag. We will close the th tag. After that we will give one more th tag. After that name, roll number, and age. So we have created our first tr table row. After that we will close that tr. So our first table row is created. After that we will create another table row, so we will give tr tag. After that here we will write the data. We will use the td tag to enter the data in the cell. So we use td tag. So in this td tag, first we will write the name. We will give the roll number. After that age. So we have created our another table row. Now we will close the tr tag. Then we will create our third table row. We will give tr tag. Created our 3 row in table. Now what we will do, we will close the HTML tag. Now we will save this file and we will run. Now let's see our output. So look, our table is created, but there is no boundary. So we have to add the boundary. So what we will do, we will simply go to our code. So in that table tag, we will give border. Border is equal to 1. After that we will save this and we will go to our output page and we will refresh it. So now you can see that our boundary has come. So this is how we will create the table in HTML.